So guys, to get the project files, just go to Zito's project store to get the startup banner as in startup interstitial project. Let's go to Zito's project store. Let's click on startup interstitial ads. Let's download the project. So after downloading the project, let's go to sketchware. Let's go to restore project. Let's look for where it's written Zito's projects. So when you open Zito's project, we'll look for project file, then we'll click on startup interstitial ads. We'll select yes. As you can see it, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to create StartApp Interstitial Ads. So first of all, let's create a new project. Just let's name it StartApp startup inter. Let me start up inter. Let's create the project. So let's go back, guys. Save and exit. Don't forget to change your project configuration, minimum SDK version to 19 as usual, and the target SDK version 50 and above or 30 and above. What I'm going to do is let's go to our settings immediately. Let's change the image gallery. Let's just use this image. I downloaded an image that I want to use to show you guys for this tutorial. Let's go to downloads. Let's choose this image. Okay, don't forget to change your package name and your project name. You know what I'm trying to say, guys. You understand me? Let's save this. Okay. If you have any questions, you could check on the first video on how to create the startup banner ad. So quickly, let's just create a linear V here. Let's hide match parents. I want to use this one. Let me just say this. Let's just use linear V. Okay. Length match parent, height match parent. Let's give it gravity, center gravity, center horizontal, center gravity, center horizontal. So now let us bring out our button here. It should be at the center. So on this button, when we click this button, what should happen? When we click this button, what should happen? I think this is what is going to happen. Sorry, no, not that. So on button click, what should happen? This should happen. Let it initialize the ads. So we have to bring out this block, our startup block. So if you don't have this block and you want to get the block, just watch my video on how to create startup banner ads. All explanation will be there on how to get the block, how to implement it in your ads, in your app sketchware. So what we're going to do now, we're going to initialize the ads, right? So let's look for initializing block here. Initialize interstitial, show interstitial ads, show interstitial eyes, not initial, show interstitial eyes. Next we're going to do now, we are going to create a new class. So we'll bring this block here now. So after I bring this block here, we're going to type this, what is a Daniel, right? Let me just copy this. So we're going to type Daniel because he is the creator of the block. Okay, so if you don't type this, it won't work. So this is a main activity, right? Main activity and main activity, right, guys? So we'll bring out this block to it on hide, on add, on interstitial ad side, on interstitial ads displayed, on interstitial ads clicked, and on interstitial ads not, on interstitial ads not displayed. So this means when our interstitial ad is hidden, what should happen? When it is displayed, what should happen? When it is clicked, what should happen? And when it's not displaying, what should happen? So when we are done with that, we'll go back, guys. Then we'll go to events, click on this plus sign, import, add import, open it. Let's go here, bring out our import. So this is our import. To put this import, just click here, variable, import, import, and import. So to get this import, if you don't have to, I got this import. It's also on my first video. I want to create startup banner, but let me quickly show you this. To get this import, just quickly go to Zito's project store. Zito's project store. Let's go back. Let's go to code. As you can see, it's startup ads import. This is it. You copy the import and you do it. You paste it here exactly the way I did it here, right, guys? So now let's quickly go back. What should we do next? Now let's go to on create. On creating this activity, what should happen? So on creating this activity, very easy. Open our startup banner ads. What should happen on creating this activity? Let's look for a startup block. Startup block, okay. Okay, sorry guys for the delay. Startup block. So what should happen on creating this activity? On creating this activity, let's look for our our startup app ID on this, which class. It should be on the main class. So now let's go to operator and let's put this to false, so to show re-ads, false. Put this to false, and here we're going to be adding our app ID right here. Our app ID right here. So if you can't get this blocks, go to my previous video on how to create startup banner ads and you will find it there. The video link will also be in the link down in the description. Okay, so let's go to my startup IO account. Let's copy another banner ads. Okay, this is my sketchpad project. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Ooh, ooh. What should I do? Ooh, ooh. So let's copy this. After I copy this, what should we do next? We could just quickly go here. We'll paste this right here. Paste this right here, guys. Okay. After we paste this right here, then what next? We're going to go to variable again, go to add custom variable, then we'll type this exactly the way I typed it, capital letter S, start START, capital letter A, START, start app, startup ads, startup ad, like this, exactly the way I typed it. Please take note. Save. As you can see, it is now here. As you can see it, guys. As you can see it. Okay, now let's go back. So what should we do next? Let's quickly go to our library, app compact and design. Let's switch it on. Now let's go back. Let's go to AdMob. If you're going to also integrate AdMob in ads, so you have to use the AdMob ID. Since I'm not actually using AdMob in this app, I'll just type anything of my choice just to make the ads display. So if you don't do this, your ads is not going to. Oh, sorry, wait for that. So let's go to AdMob. Just type anything of our choice. Okay. Save. Then next, edit, select, edit, select. Next, save. So that is going to make our ads show. So what are we going to do next? Now we're going to go to our local library and look for startup and make sure it's on, it's ticked. So if you don't have this library, to get this library, please go to my first video, on my previous video on how to create startup banner ads. The link will also be in the link description, so you'll find how to get this library. Okay, so let's go back. What we're going to do next, we're going to go to our permission, Android permission. We're going to type internet. So we're going to switch on this permission to enable it access the internet. So what we're going to do next, now we're going to go to our Android manifest. So this is our Android manifest. We're going to open our Android manifest, go to app components ads, then now head back to Zito's project store. So when we head back to Zito's project store, oh, we love this app, Zito's project store, just to pass time by. Okay, so guys, now the app is open. Let's just go to code. We look for StartApp Ads manifest. So copy the manifest code, then we paste the manifest code here. So after pasting the manifest code, they will have to change this code, this number, this ID here. It must be equal with the ID we used in the onCreate, which is our ads ID also. So we're going to copy the other one here. I think this was the one I used. Yes, it was this one. So copy it 69. Okay, let's delete this one to replace it with the other one. 69. Okay, we'll save it, guys. Now let's go back to our onCreate. So as you can see, the ID here is also the same with the ID in the Android manifest. So what I'm going to do next, guys, on button click, okay. So guys, let us run the app to see how it works. Oh, we almost done. Let's wait for it to install to see what's gonna happen. Download Zito's project store. Let you share it with your friends. Zito's project store. So we have to agree. So as you can see, we are seeing this is what is called splash screen. So we're going to remove this splash screen, okay guys. So that there's an error there. So on creating this activity, we're going to add something here now. On creating this activity, so we're going to add remove splash screen. So that's why it's good to watch my video to the end, because I won't just do everything at the same time. So add this block, remove splash screen, then we run the app again for the last time. Zito's project store. When you hear the name and sound, when you see my logos down, you know it's Zito's, Zito's project store. When you hear the name of my app in Play Store, you will know it's Zito's project store. Okay, now guys, let's click on app open. Should we click on the button? Oh yeah. So now let's click on the button, guys, to see if our interstitial ads is going to display. Whoa, it displayed, guys. So guys, as you can see, our app is working perfectly. So thank you guys for watching. On the next video, don't know what I'm going to do, but
just tune to switch on the bell notification icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you guys. Bye.